Hi Stampers, Jackie Bolhuis from Klompen Stampers. I have a fun project to share with you today. Check out this adorable box, and you can't see them yet because I'm going to show them to you in a minute, but it's filled with cards. It's actually a card kit, and you know me, I love card kits. This is one that's in the Occasions catalog, and the kit comes with this box and the belly band and everything to make 16 cards. It's a gorgeous card kit, and it's all inclusive, so it includes everything. So I'm going to show you everything that comes in the card kit, and then I'm going to actually make 3 cards for you, because this kit has 3 different designs and there's 4 cards of each. So I've made up 3 of them and I saved 1 to share with you. So I'm going to go ahead and flip the camera down and I'm going to show you the cards in this card kit. The kit we're using is on page 20 of the Occasions catalog. Now, if you don't have this catalog yet and you don't have a demonstrator, make sure to let me know because I'd love to send you one. But our kit is on page 20, and this is what's called an all-inclusive kit. So it comes with envelopes, cards, pieces, everything's pre-cut and ready to go for you. It also comes with a lovely stamp set. You can see here what it looks like. I've got some of them mounted on blocks already. So you use the stamp set, but then you have the stamp set to continue to use. I love the greetings in here. I know I'm going to be using these 4 greetings quite a bit when I'm done with my card kit. Comes with dimensionals, my favorite. It even comes with a block and a little ink spot. Now, my ink spots, I actually give these to my daughters. They love these. So I just pulled out my big pad that's Blackberry Bliss, the same color that's in the kit. So when I make them, they'll look the same. But this kit is fabulous. It is great to make up and give all of these cards as a gift to someone because you can put them in this cute little box, and what a gorgeous gift this is. Or give the kit to them and let them make them themselves. You really don't need anything else except a little bit of adhesive. So what I'm gonna do is go through and I will make all of these for you so you'll see just how easy they are. This is a perfect kit. It would be great for like a beginner stamper. Let's not go upside down. A beginner stamper, or somebody that doesn't have a lot of space to have a lot of supplies, so they want to keep it kind of minimal. And also it's perfect for those of you that just want to make up a batch of quick cards. Now, I'm going to do them kind of the way they show them in the kit, and that means we've got a congratulations, a happy birthday, and a thank you. But you could really, depending on what kind of cards you send the most out, you can make them all that. So if you need a bunch of birthday cards, great kit to pick up, and you can make 16 birthday cards, have them all ready to go for when you need them. Honestly, I bet you could put this whole kit together in maybe a half hour. So let me peel these off. I just cut my nails down, and I can't get these off like I used to be able to. So let's, oh, there, that's like harder. That's the hardest part of this whole card, I think. So we'll go ahead, we'll stick that on. There is our first card. Look at the lovely envelope. It's lined with that pretty print in there, so that is all ready to go. So there's the first one. And then for our second one, again, we've got our pre-printed base here. They're nice gold foil on here, but there's a white oval in the center. This is where we're gonna put our greeting. So we will make this one a happy birthday. So we're gonna just stamp that in the middle like so. Then we're gonna go ahead and put dimensionals on. And we can just stick that, kind of turn it so that your happy birthday words show up nice. And there is our second card. So there's our happy birthday card. And then one more, got dimensional stuff all over. This one, we will make a thank you card. So we'll grab our thank you words. Again, let's not do them upside down. We stamp those down towards the bottom of the banner. And then we can use our adhesive and we will stick that right there like so. And then once again, our dimensionals. There we go. And that one is going to go like so. And then we've got the adorable envelope that goes with this one as well. So those are the 3 different card designs. Like I said, you get to make 4 of each one. And then let's go ahead and open up this box so you can see this. I have all the other ones stuck in here. Oh, I didn't add pearls. This actually comes with some pearls as well. So you can see here where I added 3 pearls onto the card. So we have 3 of those. And again, we have 3 pearls. And there's 3 of those. And our congratulations. And we've got pearls on those. So I think those pearls just add a really special little touch to it. But there we go. That is all of the cards that are in our card kit. Now, like I said earlier, this kit would be absolutely perfect to give to someone as a gift, either for them to put together or, you know, give it to them, you know, make it all up. I'm kind of thinking this one might go to my mother. She likes to send cards, and this would be perfect all ready for her to go ahead and send those cards. Great Mother's Day gift, I'm thinking. So if you have any questions, as always, make sure to ask. I hope you enjoy this quick and easy card kit. Check it out, put it on your next order. If you're looking for a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator, like I said, and you don't have one, let me know. I'd love to send you a catalog, and I'd love to help you place an order. I've got a great reward special where I send you free product every time you choose me to be your demonstrator. So again, questions, comments, leave them for me. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I'll come to you 3 times a week with quick and easy stamping videos. So until I get to stamp with you again, have a stamp happy day.